Got a big package. I picked up a desoldering station Pro apparently, so that's nice. Let's just do a quick unboxing and maybe I'll do a test as well. And we're using the new overview camera angle. It looks heavy, but it's actually pretty light. I was hoping to put this on the shelf here, but that might not be as easy. We'll see. Maybe I'll just have to put it in here. It's all dark. My automatic main switch, IKEA trådfri switch for the lab just went out. I have it on a timer in case I forget to turn off anything in the lab, like the soldering station or something. We should still be recording, but my monitor is black and the lights went out. There we go. Yeah, so I might just have to put this in here. Maybe I will have to just put it here like that. We'll see. Anyway, so what do we have? Well, that's nice and heavy. Base for the desoldering gun, I guess. I'm guessing the desoldering gun is in here. Go. We have some tools here to unclog it, I guess. Just some long pointy things. Guessing this goes in there. This goes here. There's already a filter inserted there. So I'm guessing that just screws on like this. Relatively flexible hose and cable. That's pretty tight. Guess that's it. So I tried to see if it could fit up here, but that's just gonna be way too big. So I think I'm gonna have to put it down here next to the power supply. So I will hook up the power here and we'll give it a go. This is scary. What just happened? So much for the professional. Pro. Plug it in. I could see some faint text in the LCD screen here, and it's just blank. And I can just hear some ticking from the power supply when I turn it on. Let me see if I can show you. Well, if you can hear it. Okay, well that really sucks. I'll have to just put this back in the box then and return it. That's sad. Mostly annoying. So I got a new package. This time it's from Mouser Electronics. So let's have a look inside. Let's have a look. A bag of goodies. Okay, let's just put this to the side. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So these are just 2 ESP32 modules, and I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use these for yet, but I've kind of wanted to make my own board to put these modules on, like a simplified dev board for this. So we'll see if I ever do that. At least I have some modules now. Okay, and then we have this this bag right here. So these are all the same sensors, and I've already received some of these sensors before. Well, someone liked them. So these are the ultrasonic ranging sensors again, like I've received before. But these are 3 volts, 3.3 instead of 5 volts like the other ones. Because I'm using these for a, it's gonna make it a lot easier for me to use the 3 volt version for an upcoming project that I have. It's gonna reduce the needed components and stuff like that. So that's why I've opted for just getting new sensors. These come in so many versions. This is the 5 volt version, and this is what they usually branded, HC SR04. So these are like the generic ones that you get off of eBay and yeah, stuff like that. It cost nothing. These were more expensive, especially from Mouser, but It just makes the whole project easier for me, so it's worth that. And these are also, yeah, these are branded US-015. So these are the ones I need. Well, I only need one for the upcoming project, which is gonna make it a lot easier. And these also draw a smaller amount of current, so I can actually power these directly from an ESP32 GPIO pin. At least that's my plan, and I'm pretty sure I checked that that's possible. So that's cool. Got a new package here. It says fragile. It's all kinds of cracked, I mean dented, bent, smacked, which is nice. It's from Royal Mail. It's also gone through the Norwegian mail service, so who knows? Let's see if it survived. Let me get a knife. So I think I know what this is, but I'm not completely sure. So the customs declaration says computer parts, but it also says it's a gift, which is a lie. So who knows what else is a lie? Let's open it up and see. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's from Retroleum. So this is the packing list right here. Some C64 capacitors, a replacement pack, and we have some, oh yeah, that's nice. I forgot that because I ordered some new IC sockets on eBay, and that's gonna take a while before they get there. But I also ordered some sockets from Retroleum, because that's in the UK, so the postage is slow from the UK as well, but it's faster than China. So that's nice. So I have some sockets, then I can continue my my C64 fix. So there's the capacitor, replacement capacitor pack, like a recap pack for my C64. They come in different revisions, and they should suit my board. And here are some heatsinks. So there's two 40-pin heatsinks and two 28-pin heatsinks, and some isopropanol swabs and stuff. Nice. And then we have this one, which is all the sockets, I guess. Here we go. Nice. Sweet. These are all good sockets, hopefully. These are the round ones. Not sure what they call them exactly. It says turned pin. I don't really know what that means, but these are more standard, but they're also like, at least they're like double wiped or whatever it's called. So there's contacts on both sides of the pin. Should be usable. Heatsink kit 2B for Commodore 64 bread bin model. So the whole instruction guide. It's good to take care of the good old chips in the original chips in the C64. And then we have this capacitor kit as well. Capacitor pack number 4, a set of capacitors for recapping a Commodore 64 PCB, ASCII number 25407 Rev C. I mean, I probably don't even have to recap my C64, but I don't know. I ordered these other things, and the import tax and stuff is kind of expensive to Norway, so when I'm ordering stuff, I might as well order some extras just in case, because it gets expensive if I'm only gonna buy like one or two things. Got a new package here. I was struggling to understand what this was. I saw it was from Royal Mail, so UK, and then I saw this logo, and that kind of made me understand. So let's open this up, have a look. I'm sure some of you will recognize the logo. Oops, almost spilled coffee over it. That's not good. So this is the Retro Tea Breaks Selected Interviews Volume 1. In conversation with computer and video game pioneers, Neil Thomas. So this is Neil from Retro Man Cave's channel, book that he made, signed copy. That's nice. So this was a Kickstarter, and I don't know, I can't, because I got the Games That Weren't book a while ago, which basically have like a lot of stories about games that never got released and stuff, and it's very interesting. So I figured I should back this book, and I think it should be interesting to read about all these, read these old stories about games and computers and just the people behind it all. See, there are some pictures in there as well, and very nice. So, nice small book, volume 1. So it's going to be exciting to see how many volumes there will be. But that's it. Oh, and I think these were some extra perks. Let's see. So these are some cards here with I don't remember his name, but there was a guy who made all these pixel art versions of all these people. Andrew and Philip Oliver. I love these pixel presentations, are very nice. George Sanger, Bill Falk, Francois Lyonnais, Stu Cambridge, Dr. Rob Hubbard, Mike Daly, David Fox, John St. John, Ken Silverman, Chris Sawyer, Mark Ferrari, that's a cool name, and Richard Garriott. Got another one of these. So I already bought this, plugged it in, didn't work. Had a bright flash, like quick flash in the display and a beep, and after that was just ticking. There's just some low ticking noise from the power supply, I guess. It's just completely dead. So I returned it and I got a new one. So I guess we'll just unbox this new one and see if it works this time. So last time I actually put it all the way in here and routed the cable behind this shelf and everything. I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm just gonna plug it in and see if it works. Because that was a pain in the ass. Do we have there? No. That should be fine. I'll hook up the gun. And the soles. Which is a tight fit, as it should be. And we'll just give it a go, I guess. So the power button is at 0, so it's off. So let me just crawl under here and plug it in. There we go. Okay, let's see what happens this time. Okay, let's see what happens. Turn it on. Where's the switch? There. Okay. There we go. That's more like it. So it's heating up. Okay, so it's set to 160 at the moment. I don't know, 350. Seems to work very nicely. Definitely gonna use this a lot in upcoming videos, so gonna get to see more of it. I'm not sure what it is, so let's just open it up and see. Oh, yeah, okay. I remember now. So these are just breakout boards for the ESP-32 modules. Because I have some modules and I don't have any boards to put them on. So these are nice for just a quick development board with just the ESP module. So they come unpopulated. There's 2 tag switches and some headers there. Then you just put an ESP-32 module on there and you're good to go. So that's pretty nice. I'll have to see if I can manage to solder this. Should be okay, I guess. I'm having a closer look at these ESP-32 module dev boards, and I mean there are some issues with this this layout here. These boards have double rows of pins, and it's of course different signals, so these are not very breadboard compatible. So you can't put it in a breadboard because that would short out all these signals. And also these headers aren't. I mean, I don't think I will put these headers on here because that's kind of stupid. There's no reason to put them there, as I said, because you can't put them into a breadboard or anything. So it makes more sense to put them on the top side. but then again it doesn't make sense to use the male headers, so I would much rather, these have some very long legs, but I would much rather put in female headers on the top side on this, and then use it as a dev board. I can just put then I can just put those in there, and yeah, use it like that. But anyway, what I want to do is make my own dev board for the ESP modules I bought. So this is basically just I don't know, I just picked it up, but I want to make my own dev board with just what I need on the board and some easy way to power the board with a battery, and it has to be very low current, so I can use it for battery powered projects. And I don't want to put a USB IC on here because I don't need like an onboard programmer. I'd rather use my ESP-PROG, which I have right here, and basically just use a as long as you just make take the appropriate signals and make a header on the dev board, you can just have a cable between them, and you can program the ESP32 via this board. And there's another package here. I don't know what this is either. Okay. So this is a big lot. Sorry for all the noise. So this is a lot of sockets, and it's this kid sockets, these rolled pin sockets. So I should be all set with all kinds of sockets there. So I have some, I have the wide kind in multiple pins. So I actually have this box with a few kinds of sockets already. Like there's just a plain 8-pin socket, and I have some other kinds in there as well, some bigger ones, a few different kinds. I have some Atmega 328P CPUs here. It's the one used in the Arduino Uno. And I also have some small ATtiny, is that them? Yeah, here. I have some ATtiny 85s in here and stuff. So I should probably get a good box like this and just put all the sockets in one, because there's a mixture of I have some SIF sockets there as well. There's a mixture of sockets and chips in this set right now. So I have some ESP dev boards in here, and there's the ESP modules I was talking about. So I'll see if I can get one more of these, I think, and I'll just use one for ICs and one for sockets. I just put them all back in this bag for now. Just remembered that I also got this. I got these sockets here the other day, and there's a combination of rolled pin white sockets and some standard, was it wiper pin sockets, and at least they're double-sided wiper contacts, so they should be fine as well. But I think I have all the sockets I need, so please note to self, don't buy more sockets on eBay. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.